Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Yudistira Firdaus. At the moment, I will show you about how to make Ongol-Ongol. Ongol-Ongol ubi pandan. It's a traditional food from Indonesia. So, what is the Ongol-Ongol? Ongol-Ongol is one of the traditional snacks in West Java, Indonesia. The ingredients include dry sago palm flour, the main ingredient, water, palm sugar, pandan leaves, coconut, and salt. The sago is tree, a plant that is spread in Southeast Asia, such as Malaysia and Indonesia. In Indonesia, sago is mostly found in Papua. Apart from Papua, sago is also found in Sumatra, particularly Riau, West Java, and the Maluku Islands. It is clear that this Ongol-Ongol food is typical of the West Java region because it is supported by the availability of native raw materials of the area. This food first came to Indonesia by the Mongolian army. However, this still cannot be stated true because it is a little different from other Mongol snacks. Ancient Indonesians were more accustomed to mentioning something easy, similar to its sound or the name of the maker. Derived from the word Mongol, they later called it Ongol-Ongol. So, yeah, that's a little about Ongol-Ongol, the information. Now I will show you about how to make it. Let's go. The ingredients: 350 grams of peeled sugar, grate finely and do not get watery. 300 ml thick coconut milk, 50 ml of pandan sediment, 200 grams of sugar, 1 packet of plain jelly, 1 per 2 teaspoons salt, topping 1 per 2 grated coconut plus 1 per 2 teaspoons salt. Stir well and then stew for 10 minutes. The first step: mix coconut milk, pandan juice, sugar, salt, and jelly. Stir until the sugar dissolves. Next, heat the steamer. Use a 20 cm pan, then grease with oil. Cover with heat-resistant plastic, then grease again with a thin layer of oil so that the cake doesn't stick. Next, steam for 30 minutes until cooked. Test by stepping. Wait for the coal to just be removed from the pan. Cut according to taste. Serve with grated coconut. After we finish the steps, the ongol-ongol is ready to eat. Okay everyone, the food is ready to eat. As you can see, I'll try to taste it. It's delicious. I feel like the ongol-ongol is very soft in my mouth. It's easy to chew, and yeah, I like the sweet, the sweet of the ongol-ongol. We should try it. Okay, just follow the steps that I had show you to you about how to make ongol-ongol. So yeah, Hope you guys enjoy that, and maybe we will meet again in the next video. uh, Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.